Why not teach me Chinese? Why not?
Just type Beauty You Chinese. 你好。
Repeat after me. 10.
Once Rocky discovered fermented berries, there was no going back to acorns. When you're a magician's assistant, you have to be careful where you leave your props. Ever since Mom's carpet conniption, everyone's fallen into line.
That's good, that's what I want to say.
You love me so much like I love you.
Tracy, he's not kissing you, he's tasting you.
She might be wrong.
What do you do if you have a raccoon in your boat and you can't outsmart it?
Oh, sure.
Go the other way. Oh, who's the dumb animal now?
This Chinese character means 10 in English. This is its syllable, 10. Repeat after me, 10.